Welcome to Jidu. Jidu is a company which manufactures printing and converting machines for the labels and packaging market. We are introducing at the Labelexpo 2014 in Chicago a technology called Digital Flexo Excellence. Digital Flexo is a concept which is developed with the support of other 8 partners which are creating a group of companies called Revo. Revo is having one single objective: to create extended color gamut off the shelf available to the market immediately. So Apex for the analog rollers, ABT for the pressure control and the quality control, DuPont for the plates, Esco for the pre-press, Flint for the inks, Adair, a printer and a converter in the UK who is making beta testing of the whole process, and Jidu with the digital automation are working together with one common objective, using 7 colors, CMYK plus orange, green and blue, to reproduce at least 90% of the Pantone book only with 7 colors. The objective is never change the ink in the press and never change the analogs. Then when you have this objective, then you can use the digital automation at its best. Let's see how you can use digital automation to keep the whole Flexo process in a digital environment. On every print unit, a digital camera is reproducing what an operator would do with his own eyes and with his own fingers. It's looking at the printing, looking at the dots, looking at the gain and the pressure, and automatically adjusting the printing pressure and the register. So every camera on every print unit is substituting the operator and performing impression and register totally digitally. On a digital Flexo press, it's very likely that you are going to change job at least 3 to 4 times per hour. This means a huge amount of cylinders which need to be handled. So we have to take care about the safety and the stress of the operator. So we have developed a very simple device to load and unload print cylinders in a safe, secure and stressless manner. So if you have to unload and deload up to 30, 40 cylinders per hour, this is something that will help the operator not to refuse a digital Flexo press, but to accept the fact that it's going to have the same performances as a digital press. And also the same workflow. What we are doing, we are preparing the job which is coming after job number 1. So when you are having the entire printing process under digital control, you are missing the converting section. Let's see what we can do in the converting section. The flexible die of job number 1 is extracted. The flexible die of job number 2 is inserted. No matter the die cutting repeat, everything is automated. One die cutting cylinder is die cutting every single job. And now we have automated the die cutting pressure and the insertion and the die cutting tool change. Let's see what happens for the waste stripping. Also the waste stripping is fully automated, without manual intervention of the operator. You see now that we have taken away the front part of the substrate, and then with the click of a button we are able to die cut. So the whole die cutting process is automated. The Die cutting pressure self-adjusts to the thickness of the substrate. The waste stripping is automated, and now you can see we start die cutting fully automated without any manual intervention of the operator. So this is a full digital process. And we are printing at the moment 96 pantones. Okay? Now we make the total job change like if we had a digital press. Please notice that the job is made color by color without stopping the press. The press continues to run, and on every print station the print cylinder is exchanged from job number 1 to job number 2. The camera comes out, recognizes job number 1, it makes it go out of the press, and then job number 2 comes in. It is recognized by the camera, and so the waste between one job and the other is close to the waste of a digital press. We are talking about few meters, and you can see now job number 1 going out and job number 2 coming in. There is no operator touching the machine. The whole printing process, including impression and register, is fully automated. But then, if you have the whole exchange process fully automated, you might want to have also the entire die cutting process automated. So let's see again what we can do in the die cutting section. Again, what we are doing is we are cutting out the old flexible die. So the flexible die will come up. The new die comes in. You have not to change the cylinder even if you change the print repeat. Now we have to take away the strip. So what we do, as you can see at this very moment, you are having the front with the backing. Now we take away the whole front. Totally automated without operator. Then we click a button and we start to die cut. So all this operation will lead naturally to operations without operator. So this is a digital operation without operator, fully automated. So we start die cutting. The whole process